Still searching for a pocket-friendly Valentine's Day plan? What if I told you you can spend a 14th night at a 5-star hotel in Mumbai with a stunning lake view for less than 5,000 rupees a night? Here's the deal. Instead of splurging on an overpriced property in Lonavala, Alibag or Mahabaleshwar, celebrate in style at the Westin Mumbai Powai Lake. This property typically sells for 20,000 per night, but with this game-changing credit card hack, you will pay a fraction of that. Here's how. Apply for the HDFC Marriott Bonvoy credit card with an annual fees of 3,000 rupees plus taxes. It's quick and approval takes only just 2 days. Once you have the credit card, register on the Marriott Bonvoy site, redeem your free night stay, and boom, you are set. The Westin Mumbai Powai Lake is currently worth at 22,000 points. The cheapest way to get the balance 7,000 points is to transfer from AMEX or Axis Bank Rewards Portal. Otherwise, you can always buy the balance point from a Marriott website itself. Act fast. This hack works only while the rooms last. Your luxury Valentine's Day celebration awaits you. Don't miss it out. Celebrate this year's Valentine's Day in style, savings and unforgettable memories. Share this tip with your friends who love smart hacks and follow me for more travel hacks and credit card tricks.